In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 more ways that you can use leftover juice pulp so that when you're juicing at home, you're not wasting a thing. If you haven't seen the first 5 ways, then make sure to check out that video as well so that you know 10 ways to use leftover juice pulp. Getting straight into it, number 1 is to make juice pulp pesto. Normally I would make this with green juice, something like cucumber, kale and celery, and some apple for sweetness, and then once you've enjoyed your juice, add a couple of spoonfuls of the pulp into a food processor along with the other pesto ingredients. Number 2 is to make juice pulp fruit tea. This one is super simple. You can just add some pulp to a pot along with some, for example, orange, lemon, ginger, let it brew and then strain it into a glass. Number 3 is to make juice pulp cream cheese spread. Again, really easy. You can simply mix juice pulp with cream cheese and it's going to give you a nice boost of nutrition. Number 4 is to make baby food with juice pulp. For example, you could make a fruit puree like the strawberry and blueberry one with a little bit of pulp mixed in. Number 5 is to make a juice pulp face mask. Blend your juice pulp with something like oats, honey and a splash of water and use it like a face mask. Okay, so 10 ideas later and you haven't wasted any juice pulp and you're not missing out on any of the fibre or any of the nutrition. Let us know in the comments if you decide to try any of these ideas. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we will see you in the next video.